It's raining again. We can't go outside. Nothing to do.
What if we make today fun, even inside?
Fun? How?
We'll go on a treasure hunt. I'll call Sam, Emma, and Milo. Did someone say treasure hunt? Count me in. This sounds so fun, Max. We'll help you find it. I'm a little scared, but I'll try my best. All right, everyone. The first clue is hidden somewhere in this room. That's so funny. Yippee! Look where dreams begin each night, under something soft and white. The pillow. Let's check under it. I got it. Let's sing while we search.
A gift for me. Clue, clue, where are you? We will find you, yes we do. Laugh and sing and count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yippee, yippee! Rain is falling, skies are gray. Let's go find some fun today. Who is hiding? Let's go see. Is it under the bed or behind the tree?
Step by step we search and smile. Let's keep going just a while. Open the box, what do we see? A gift for you, a gift for me. Clue, clue, where are you? We will find you, yes we do. Laugh and sing and count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
Woof, woof. I think I smell something. Me. She's on the trail. Oops, just socks. I thought that was a spider. Ha 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 ha. Wait, look at this big book. It just moved. There's a clue hidden inside. What does it say, Emma? Read it out loud. To find what Max loves, search near the rug where Maggie sniffs and snugs.
Maybe it's about my toy.
Maggie wagged her tail and sniffed near the curtain. Something was hiding.
Ooh, what's behind the curtain? Is it a monster? I'm going to peek. Guys, there's another clue back here. It's a glowing box with a sticker clue inside. Open it, open it. Maybe it leads to Max's toy. Under the couch where stories unfold, a treasure of joy and memories old.
I remember. That's where I played with my toy.
Max crawled under the couch, eyes wide with hope.
I found it! My favorite toy! Yay! Max got his toy back!
We have a little surprise for all of you.
Bracelets for everyone. And chocolates.
Yay! Thank you, Max's parents. This is the best treasure hunt ever.
And they all danced, laughed, and shared chocolate, celebrating Max, friendship, and fun.